Namaste, I'm Rahul, I'm a yoga expert. Today's topic is about Tantra, Mantra, and Yantra. You all must be wondering why I'm rhyming it. But is this come together? So, Mantra and Yantra is the part of the practice of the Tantra Yoga Sadhana. Sadhana means a practice. So, in Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Lord Shiva is explaining 112 techniques to Goddess Parvati about Tantra Sadhana. So, in that, Tantra defined as a expansion of mind and liberation of the energy in the clutches of the matter. So, in Tantra Yoga, practice is all about expansion about mind and liberation of the energy. And that's called a threefold energy or threefold principle: Shiva, Shakti, and Nara. So, Shiva as a pure consciousness, Shakti as an energy, and Nara as a matter. So, Tantra Sadhana or Tantra Yoga is a technique from matter to release the energy and to reach out the pure consciousness. So, for that, in Tantra Yoga, explain 112 techniques or dharanas, and in that it's come the mantra sadhana and the also yantra sadhana. So mantra is as a vibration, inherent vibrations. So mantra should repeat or should do the recitation, or in normal language we say chanting of mantra should be with devotion, dedication, and the love. So that's create an energy within the person and surrounding him or her. So mantra is not a prayer, mantra is the vibration. So mantra is the key to the path of the Tantra. Now, you must be thinking, what is then Yantra? Yantra is a secret geometry or mystical diagram of each mantra. So, mantra is the sound or vibration. So, Yantra is the visual form of the mantra. So, practice is the person should gaze on the yantra and recitation or chanting of corresponding mantra according to that particular yantra. So when you understand these three, tantra, mantra, and yantra, so mantra is tool for the mind and yantra is the channelizing the energy, and the tantra is tool for the expansion. So this is all about tantra, mantra, and yantra. Thank you. Namaste.